Okay, first we need to have a concept that we need to approach the characters. Okay, after we approach the characters, and then it will be pop up the panels. So we need to prepare the NPC here. Okay, and then we'll need to prepare the canvas with the UI. Okay, and all the answers here. Okay, so first we get any characters. Okay, for example, I already have a character, this one. Okay, I drag to the position. Okay, so make sure every time you import a human type, you need to change to humanoid, apply, and the material here, you need to change to textures. Okay, so place properly lah. Okay, I forgot to open a folder for it, so you can open the folders for the material. Okay. So now drag and drop open your scene, drag and drop your NPC here, and rotate facing the characters lah. Okay, and then after that we need to approach it, right? So we need to have a collider. So here we using a box collider to enter the area, then it can talk already. So we make it bigger lah, we make it in front a bit. So when we reach that area, so it can start talking. Okay, we just enter nearby, then it will start talking. So we're using its trigger, so no need to bump the person, then we only can talk lah. And then we open another capture collider, okay, to make sure the players cannot enter the person. Okay, so we're using two lah, easiest. So now we need to prepare our panels. We need to prepare our panel. Okay. So right click UI, and then we open the panels for our chat. This one you can see is like a dialog panel. So you talk to it like dialog panels. Okay. So now you can open the 2D view to see the 2Ds here. This one is very big, so we can make it like 0.2. So you can look at your game scene. So this is your size. Okay. So you can make it even bigger. 5. Okay, like this. So after that, we need to have a text and then 4 button chat here. So same thing, right click UI here. Okay, we open the text mesh pro here. Okay, so you can write your text here. Okay, hello. Okay, you can reposition it. Okay, you can reposition it. And then after that, you have a 4 chatting choose for your selection die box. So you can have a UI, okay, button. You can have a button A, okay, and then we make it like A, selection A. So you can have a 100, you make it bigger, 20, 40, okay. So you can make it longer for your buttons. So maybe 300 like that. Okay. So then duplicate B, C, D. Okay, rename it as a button B, button C. Okay, and then button D. Okay, so now we done already for this one. We reposition it. The B go down a bit, C go down, D go down a bit. So your panels not enough, you can make it longer a bit. So 6. So make it down a bit. So now it will look like this. The panels. Okay, so now you need to write a coding to bump it. So go to scripting folders, right click. So this is the coding. Oops. Okay, so you can get the sample coding here. Okay, so you must be, remember the class name must be same with your script name. So this one, right click, create. Okay, scripting, mono behavior, paste this one. Okay, so for your coding, okay, if you're using a UI, you must have this one. Okay, let's explain this one. Okay, so this one is the referring to the panel. So all our panels, what you want to hiding, right? So all in the children of the panel, it will hiding as well. So at the start, we hiding our top panels, and then when we enter the player, so we just make our players set active equals to 2. Okay, and then enter the trigger lah. So when he go out, so it will be close the NPC. So now this one is your choice A, B, C. So what action, then you can put it here. If you choose the first one, what action? B is what action? C is what action? So under the coding here lah. So once you done for this coding, remember to plug to your this one, okay, your character, your NPC, and tell the NPC your panels. These panels, okay, is the panels that your dialog box, you just drag and drop here. Okay, your dialog box. Okay, so now if you because it's locked already, so you need to go to player armature here. You'll see the cursor lock. Make sure you uncheck it, make it like this. Okay, so now for your buttons, okay, you need to press the A button. You need to make all these things as a children's of dialog box. Okay, when you close it, you see everything is closed. Okay, so this one is become the children already. So you go to the button A. Okay, this one is button A. So the button A is A. Button B, the text you can modify here. Open this one, then the text here you write the C. Button D here, okay, you write the D here. Okay, so you want to make it click and then function. Remember, you have the function on click. So you select this one, and our code is attached to this one. So we plug this one, and then talk. Okay, choose A. This one, same thing. Drag your enemy and drag your NPC. So talk, then B. So this one is C. Button C. Drag here. Drag this one here. Okay, talk to NPC C. So D. Okay, on click here. Drag, drop here. NPC D. Okay, now we can test our system. So when we approach the player, it will come A, and it will press the A, B, C, D like this. Okay. So when we far away, it will be closed, the NPC.